Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable personal loan reminders on LendingClub. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable personal loan reminders on LendingClub, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LendingClub website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon or name to access the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, click on the Notifications tab to view your current settings. Find the section labeled Personal Loan Reminders. Here, you will see options for email and SMS reminders. Uncheck the box next to the reminder options you wish to disable. After making your selections, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your updates. You should receive a confirmation that your changes have been saved. To ensure the reminders are disabled, you can log out and log back into your account. Check the Notifications tab again to verify your settings. You have successfully disabled personal loan reminders on LendingClub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step